Read it.
The Angelus is telling us that Blessed Mother Mary was chosen by God the Father because of her humble heart. Mother Mary named herself the Lord.
Ayun, ano to?
Handmaid of the Lord, because she obeyed what God was wanted her to do.
Good.